What's up, you guys? It's time for the second part of Nick's thing. And for the first part, we did drawing and stuff. This time, a lot of you expressed a lot of interest in Roblox. So I was going to do a Roblox development thing and show you how you can actually make your own Roblox game. And it's actually really easy to do. And it's free. The whole thing's free, but you need a PC, so you're going to have to convince your parents to let them use your PC. And they're probably going to say no. So get ready for that. The next thing we're going to do is talk about basically this program, Roblox Studio it's called. And it's free. You download that. That's how they make the Roblox games. It's pretty simple. I've worked in a couple of these with these programs before. This one is like so kid friendly. I can't even, like, I don't want to use the other ones. I want to make games in this. This is amazing. There's like you can just type in here and you can be like, whatever you want, an airplane. And then you're going to find, well, if my keyboard works. Oh God, my keyboard died. Well, trust me when I say that you can find an airplane if you type it in here. Look, they got a zombie. Drooling zombie. And you you can drag and drop it, or you can, this is pretty cool, a military tent. So if you're not familiar with Roblox, it's like a tablet game you can play. And it's sort of like Lego kind of stuff. You can see how they kind of look like Legos. But it's really popular right now. And a lot of you guys, I know, are into it. So I decided I was going to do a little quick, show you guys like how to do it. And what we're going to do is we're going to build Fall Creek, of course. What else would I build? So we're going to delete all of these guys that I put in. Oh my God, it's been a while since I've done this. So you have to bear with me. Okay, so we want to add these things. And you basically add these little cubes, but then you can change the dimensions by clicking scale, I believe. Yes. And we're basically, what we're doing right now is we're just going to be making like the side of one of the buildings. Sorry, I'm thinking right now. I think we're going to put the cafeteria actually right here. So this is going to be the cafeteria wall. We're going to throw that out this way. And we're going to copy and paste this by doing Control C and Control V. And I feel like I'm boring you guys because you guys are going to follow along with me. So I think what I'm going to instead do is make this like kind of a time lapse. All right, so we got so we kind of got a primitive. Yeah, we got the cafeteria here. I haven't done the kitchen or the office yet. I'm going to split these up and make them the bathroom. This will make more sense in a second here. Duplicate. Move. So the guy's bathroom and the girl's bathroom. I want to make a floor too. I haven't made a floor yet, so we're going to add another part. Where did that thing go? Here it is. And we're going to move it down. And this is going to be like right above the grass. Yeah. And very cool, very cool. So we're going to expand that. Do we have enough space for the rest of the school? Yeah, we definitely do. This is looking pretty good, actually. We're probably going to extend this floor square a lot, so we'll just leave it as is for now, though. So it's starting to look like the school a little bit. Let's go ahead and start with Shasta's office and the kitchen. Alright, you guys, well, I got a little bit farther here in After School, the game, which we're officially making at this point now. And we're going to need to think of some funny names and some things to do. But you can see here I got the basic layout of the first floor, more or less. I got to do, the classrooms still aren't, the walls aren't put in, but you can see this is what we're working with. We're working with, the gym, the cafeteria, the kitchen and the office. It's very, we're getting there. And I just wanted to show you guys what it'll look like kind of from the outside. So after you're ready to, when you're to the point where you want to test your game and you want to actually like see what it looks like, you press this little play button up here in the upper left. It's like a play button with a little Roblox guy on top of it. So you push that button and then it's going to pop our guy in the world. And so this is sort of what it's going to look like. And I was trying to think of it from the perspective of a kid. So we're going to zoom in. And this is what, if you can imagine, here's like where the Fall Creek icon is. And this is the front playground. And we're going to walk up to the front door here. And you can see how it's kind of becoming slowly but surely our beloved school. And so we're just going to keep going. Just like that. Making doorways is kind of weird, so I wanted to show you guys that. It's been a while since I've done this. You have to kind of cut them out, which is kind of annoying. Instead of, well, let's see if I can remember. Park maybe? You have to make it like a -1. Oops. So let's see, how do we do that? Just bear with me for a sec, I'll remember here in a minute. Plastic. Ah, here it is, negate. Click that button, and it turns a pinkish translucent color. And then you can actually use it to cut. Actually, want to rotate this thing. You can actually use it to cut stuff out. Wish there was a way to rotate it exactly. In some programs, if you hold shift, it like snaps to degrees, but that doesn't really work in this one. Oh, we can do it like this. So here's what we'll do. We'll rotate 90. Enter. I demand rotate 90. Oh, I remember now. Okay. Snap to grid. Not 95. 90. And then when we rotate, it should be... There we go. Yep, it worked. Alright, now we'll go up. Move it over. This is going to be the front doors. And, so kind of like that. I kind of want to... Oh, you know what? I forgot that there's like a mud room, isn't there? Oh, man, I don't know if we can do the mud room, you guys. Oh, my God. We have to do it. We've got to do it. So we'll have to remember that there's another room that comes out here. We'll have to add that. I'll put this down just a little bit. And that looks pretty good. So then... let's scale it a little bit. Nope. Scale it. I want to scale it only. I think really we're just gonna have to make do with that for now. So you select the first one, then you select the second one by holding shift, then you combine them or join them somehow. I'm trying to remember how. Union, I believe. Alright, I figured out the problem. There's a lot of weird things about this program. So I noticed that if you take a part and you turn it into a negative part, um, and then you try to scale it, the scaling is constricted and bound. I can't scale it in one dimension only. If I scale it in this dimension, it gets bigger in the other dimensions. So the way you do that is you unnegate it, and then you can scale it in your direction you want. That's what I was trying to do before this. Now I can make it fat enough to cut out the entire wall. So we turn this into, let's bring it down a little bit. Turn this into a negative part, then we combine this one and this one by holding the shift button on the second one. Then you do union, was it union? Yes. And that's how you cut out a piece of wall, if that makes sense. So now we have a front door. Now we can run into the school. I wanted to just play again real quick so we can just see. We're coming up on a pretty good stopping point here for this week. I just wanted to let's see what it looks like to run into the school. So now we're on the front playground theoretically. We're running into the school, and I just want to run in to see, like, do the walls look right for after school and stuff. So this is the hallway. There's going to be a boys' bathroom here, girls' bathroom here. You come around the corner, you got your cafeteria, and then there's going to be, you know, the kitchen over here and the slide. Well, I got mixed up. There's the sliding glass thing here. The manipulatives area is right here. It'll make more sense as we go. Shas's office. This is, of course, the doorway to the basement with the monster that you guys aren't supposed to know about. And let's go over to the gym. I don't think we made a doorway for the gym, did we? No, so we can't go into the gym yet. But yeah, if you guys see what I'm doing here, we're going to keep working on this, and we're going to make it way cooler. But I'm actually going to try to publish this so you guys can even get into this now, theoretically. This will work. So if you go up to File, so now you guys theoretically will be able to go into the Roblox game, which you can actually get on your app or your tablet, and then you can find this game and open it up and try it out yourself. So that's my hope. And there's probably going to be a couple bumps and hiccups along the way. We're going to try to iron them out. Alright, so what's up, guys? Yeah, just I hope you got through that. So we just finished the kind of the gym stage area, and I just want to, after that milestone, I just want to jump in the game and see what it looks like, and kind of run around because I feel like you guys probably want to do that too. So I tried to make. Oh, you know what? I gotta stop. So when this happens, it's because you didn't anchor parts you added. So I gotta stop for a second and do that. It's not a big deal. I just gotta find the ones that I added. Let's see. So I added this little area here. And if you hold the shift button down, you can grab them all at once. And once all three are highlighted, what else? This one too. I can go up here and hit the anchor button somewhere. Let's see, where is it? Oh, here it is, yeah. So you go to home, anchor. Then when you press play, they don't fall over. So that's why that happens. And there's a couple others I got to do that with also. I'll probably forget one or two. That's alright. Alright, let's try again. Try again. So I added the front threshold area in front of the school by the flag. And you guys sometimes hide back here. Classic hiding spot. And we're going to add like the post up here, but that's not done yet. You can run into the gym. That's not exactly right. Well, I'll have to make do for now. And we got the stage now. And we got, see if we can jump up on the stage. Yeah, we can. Awesome. And this kind of doorway is tiny. We got to fix that. And this is the stairway. This is where the tables are. You guys know the drill. Let's see, we got doorways now for the bathrooms, and the cafeteria now has that window. And what else? For the kitchen, and we got the doorway to old Shas's office. And this, we should do something hilarious with this room, of course. And we'll add the tables. So this is looking really good, you guys. I'm going to keep working on it. I'm going to try to get the post area down a little bit. I've never been in the principal's office myself. Oh, I forgot about the elevator. Oh, man. Okay. Well, anyway, I've never been in the principal's office myself. I feel like there's too much room back here, though. I mean, what is she? What's going on back there? I think this is just supposed to be the gym back here. And I think I messed up the proportions somehow. I think it's like there's a bathroom, and then there's a, there's the principal's office, and then, I can't remember. Is it the school? Is it the? I don't know these things. I'm just gonna try to make it what I think it is. I think this is supposed to just be the gym, though. So that's a mistake. So I'll have to fix that. But yeah, keep watching, you guys, and we're gonna turn it into the school. It's gonna be pretty cool. This is awesome. Awesome. Alright, just finished up the stairs and stuff, so let's come in here and check that out. We're gonna run through the mudroom here. All the classrooms and stuff in the main office. Let's see here. This is the new stuff. Oh god. Forgot to anchor it. There must be a better way to do this, but I just don't know what it is. Oh well. Let's try again. Anyway, so now you can come up the stairs, go to the second floor, to the library, but we haven't started the second floor really yet, so back downstairs. I just wanted to look at the gym. We changed the gym around a little bit. We got this gym. It's looking good now. I remembered now, like as you walk in, it's much longer that way. And I think it's kind of shorter this way. I think I made this way too long. And so really this door needs to be shifted down over here. But I think that's alright. We're going to let that slide. The stage is looking good. This is where all the 4th and 5th graders hang out. And yeah, we're going to get the mats up there, of course. Can't forget the mats. And this area also is supposed to be cut out. There's like an elevator thing here. And we still got to fix this doorway. But yeah, it's looking good. We got the boys' bathroom. We got the girls' bathroom. We got the cafeteria. I'm trying to think of what I'm going to work on next. But yeah, stay tuned, you guys. We're building Fall Creek. It's going to be hilarious. Hopefully we're going to get you guys all able to run around here, but that might never happen. I have no idea how that works. It's complicated. But either way, this is super fun, and we'll keep building it. We'll build the front playground out here. So stay tuned, you guys.